Welcome to Danfoss IXA. I'm Morten, and in this video I will tell you the difference between zero-point calibration and MARPOL calibration. Both our analyzers, the MES 1001 and the MES 1001 MARPOL, uses a system with a zero-point calibration. This is done every 15 minutes, and we do this by filling up the probe with clean compressed air, and this way we can secure a zero-point calibration in air. The MARPOL version of our analyzer uses a span gas for calibration, and this makes us able to be compliant to MARPOL. We use a specific span gas 300 ppm for this, and this makes the sensor able to calibrate on the specific gas and in this way avoid spot check. Thank you for watching, and please contact us if you have any question regarding calibration.